The federal government says the proposal to overhaul Kentucky's Medicaid program is now complete. As a result, a 30-day period for public comments will now begin. Kentucky was one of 32 states that expanded its Medicaid program under the Affordable Care Act, more commonly referred to as Obamacare. But Governor Bevin says it's simply too expensive, unsustainable financially. He wants recipients to pay monthly premiums and either have a job or volunteer for a charity in order to receive benefits. The governor says if the feds reject his application, he will repeal the expanded Medicaid program.